Hi everyone, happy Thanksgiving! Because we are following the CDC and governor's order, so we are having a very quiet Thanksgiving this year. We are only celebrating today with my family at home. Joanna has been asking me to make blueberry muffins. So today I'm going to show you how to make very yummy and moist blueberry muffins with crunchy toppings. If you watch my carrot banana bread video, then you know the secret ingredients that I am going to use to make this muffin very moist. Just like that banana bread, I am going to use real mayonnaise instead of butter or oil. The first thing I want to do is to mix my dry ingredients as usual. But before that, I need to dust my blueberries so that my blueberries will not sink at the bottom later. So what I want to do is I put the blueberry. This is 1.5 cup of fresh blueberries. I'm not using the frozen one. And then put the all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup. All right, so this is how I dust the blueberries. Okay. So I'm not wasting any flour. Put aside the blueberries. Now I'm getting a half teaspoon of salt. And 3/4 cup of sugar. I'm using white sugar here, okay? And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Whisk the dry ingredients together. Set aside the dry ingredient and we're going to mix the wet ingredients. To make the wet ingredients, I'm gonna use 1 large egg. Break it into a measuring glass here. A 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. I'm using regular mayonnaise, okay? Don't use the light mayonnaise or any other kind. Use the original mayonnaise. You may use oil too or butter. All right, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and add milk. I'm using whole milk here. You want to pour the milk till you make a full cup or 1 cup, okay? So the first thing I want to do is to mix this first, to whisk it. Okay, and then add milk to 1 cup. Okay, it is 1 cup now. All right, and then whisk it again. All right, and pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. All right, mix it. You want to mix it until combine. Okay, and then fold in the blueberries. folding gently because you do not want to break the blueberries. So just fold gently. Okay, and that's it. It's very, very easy, right? Now, I'm going to preheat my oven while making the crumble toppings. The crumble topping is optional, okay? To make the crumble topping, you only need butter. I'm using unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, and light brown sugar. Okay, you may use dark brown sugar if you want to, okay, or even white sugar. All right. So the ratio of these three ingredients is 1 to 1 to 1. Okay, so it means I'm using 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of the sugar. Okay. You can make more than 2 tablespoons of everything if you want to have more topping. So very easy. Now we're gonna cut all this with either fork, or if you have pastry cutter, then you can use pastry cutter. That's it. So my muffin tins, liners on the tins. If you do not want to use liners, then you have to butter your tins, okay? So your muffin will not stick to the tins. Now I just need to scoop my batter into the tin. Okay. So gently scooping the batter because you do not want to break the blueberries, right? Alright, so this is optional, like I said. You do not need to add toppings if you do not want to. I'm gonna leave one without the topping. Okay. Now I'm going to bake this for 25 minutes. Okay, this is 23 minutes. It looks dark. I'm gonna check. Okay, so the toothpick comes out clean, so I'm not gonna wait until 25 minutes. So I bake this for 23 minutes. So I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, okay, to let it cool down a little bit. Time to take it out of the tin. The one without the topping is very easy to remove, but the one with topping, the topping is gonna stick to the tin here, okay? So you're gonna need help with knife. All right. Smells so good, just so you know. And I can tell that this muffin is very, very moist. Only by looking and touching. I'm gonna eat this one. So good. Yummy. So here is my blueberry muffins with topping. And this one is just a plain blueberry muffin without topping. Alright? The topping is just gonna give extra sweetness and crunchiness on top. But if you don't wanna take time making the toppings, then just bake it without the toppings. Don't make it toppings, okay?
I can't wait to eat this blueberry muffin because I love blueberries. Lots of blueberries. I like the crunchiness on top, and the rest of the muffin tastes like blueberries, not just like muffin with a little bit of blueberry inside. This is really a blueberry muffin, and I love it.
Is it moist?
It's moist, tasty, and perfect.